Okay, we've already created a Gmail email account and a password. Since I'm already signed in, I'll just type in YouTube, because what we want to do now is create a video channel so we can upload videos. So there, I'm on YouTube, and I'm gonna tap on my logo, and I'm gonna tap on after that create account. I'm gonna blow this up so you'll be able to see what I'm seeing, and there it is. That's just that simple. 3 or 4 clicks. I can upload a picture here, or I can do it later. I'll tap create channel down on the bottom. You can't see it here, but it's there, trust me. And now it's working. And there it is. There's a YouTube channel, personal YouTube channel. 10 minutes tops. You've just done it if you created the Gmail account, went to YouTube, signed in, tap your logo or thumbnail with your name on it. Once you've done that, you click on create account, and this is the page you'll have. After that, you go up here to the video camera where it says, it'll come up create. Okay, let me minimize this so you'll be able to see what I see. Here it is, create. You hit create, and from there you upload video, and you have your video already on your computer or your phone, and you just drag and drop the files here, or you click on select files and select them from your files. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.